Siren.
Ah, my partner in hilarity. Back for more pranks? I have a great one for you today. A big laugh. Pranks, of course. There's no better way to celebrate than playing harmless japes on others. I consider myself a master, but there is only one of me, and there are many people in need of a laugh. I think you have what it takes. Interested? Snake? No, frog. Sorry, I was just coming up with another prank idea. The perfect prank should be disruptive and shocking, but not terrifying or damaging. Even better if it's tailored to the person. It's a delicate balance, you know. Once, I fashioned a thin, nearly invisible film made from dried cow spit and chitin. I put the film over my friend's privy late at night, knowing that first thing in the morning, he would need to relieve himself. It gets better, or worse, depending on your perspective. Unknown to either of us, my friend's wife had eaten some bad fruit at a gathering earlier that evening. Unfortunately for her, she had to urgently use the privy in the middle of the night. Indeed, it went exactly how you imagined. There was much screaming, cursing, and an extensive cleaning that night. Much later, we had a good laugh. When the prank pranks the prankster, that's when you know it's special. I'm glad to have a prankster partner. You understand me and the Jesters Festival in a way most don't. I'll have to think about what fun to set up for tomorrow. Maybe something with scrib jellies. Skirnd is a talented dancer with a great sense of humor. I rigged my most recent contraption to release a potent stink when activated. While Skirnd is dancing, find his seat and place the prank kit under it. It will smell awful. I hope someone faints. Skirnd loves the bard in Mistral. He's almost always dancing for the crowd, tiring himself out, and then sitting down for a swig of mead before getting up again. You shouldn't have any trouble placing the kit under his seat while he's dancing. Easy.
Joining the Dominion isn't about what is taken from you, but what is gained.
Everyone, I swear, it wasn't me! It's a trick, and a damned good one at that!
The Dominion welcomes all who wish to join. For prosperity, for security, for unity, for the Dominion. Come and see from the distant shores of Glenumbra, a real, live, as part of the Dominion, you will gain security.
The guild requests your help.
Let's ride.
for next time? How about replacing someone's paint bucket with milk? The city's cats would rush over to lick the side of a house. Maybe too expensive. And we wouldn't want the cats to get splinters. Once, I fashioned a thin, nearly invisible film made from dried cow spit and chitin. It gets better, or worse, indeed. I'm glad to have a prankster partner. I knew I picked the right person for the job. I'm glad to see you survived the smell. How did Skern take it? He must have been embarrassed. But knowing him, I'm sure he took it in good spirits. Excellent! Another successful prank. The Jester's Festival would be nothing without this kind of fun. I thank you for joining. I'll put together another prank kit for you tonight. Come back tomorrow and I'll set you up with another. Snake? No, frog. Sorry, I was just coming up with another prank idea. The perfect prank should be disruptive and shocking, but not terrifying or damaging. Even better if it's tailored to the person. It's a delicate balance, you know. Now, what to do for next time? How about replacing someone's paint bucket with milk? The city's cats would rush over to lick the side of a house. Maybe too expensive. And we wouldn't want the cats to get splinters. Emmerich?
Oh.
Have need of a zombie? This one is here to serve.